Hello and welcome back. In this session, I'll talk about Google Cloud regions, zones, and data center. So before jumping on Google Console, let's take a glance on regions and zones offered by Google Cloud. A region is a specific geographical location where Google Cloud services are hosted. Each region is independent, providing high redundancy and high availability for your applications. The purpose of using regions is allow users to deploy services closer to their users or customers for better performance, compliance, and disaster recovery. Regions are named as a two-part code, where the first part refers to the continent, for example, US for United States, Europe for Europe, and the second part refers to a specific area or zone within the continent. Here are some examples: US Central 1 for Iowa, Europe West 1 for Belgium, Asia East 1 for Taiwan. As of recording of this video in February 2025, Google has offered 41 regions, 124 zones, 187 network edge locations, and Google expanded their services across 200 plus countries. A zone is a physical deployment area within a region. Each region has multiple zones, typically 3, and each zone is isolated from others in terms of failure. If a zone fails, the other zone in the same region can continue operating. Zones are named by appending a letter to the region. For example, US Central 1-A, US Central 1-B, and C. So here, US Central 1 region offered 3 zones, A, B, and C. A data center is a physical facility that houses the hardware infrastructure for Google Cloud services. Google has many data centers around the world, and they are responsible for hosting the resources needed to provide services like Compute Engine, cloud storage, BigQuery, and more. Each region typically consists of multiple data centers, and these data centers are connected to each other to provide low latency, high throughput networking. Google's data centers are designed for redundancy, reliability, with multiple power and cooling systems, as well as advanced security measures to ensure uptime. In our next video, we'll talk about Google Network Edge locations. Stay tuned and do like and subscribe.